Remember, things look three-dimensional on the physical material plane because we have up-down to take into consideration. But on a two-dimensional surface, up-down is not taken into consideration, it's just front-back. So because up-down is excluded from the two-dimensional equation, we have to figure out a way to create three-dimensional depiction or illustration on a two-dimensional surface, a two-dimensional canvas. And one aspect of that is what I call the sacred geometric vanishing point. Vanishing point is basically a sacred geometric architecture map, basically. It's a map, and this map gives a three-dimensional illusion on a two-dimensional surface. And this three-dimensional depiction is really illustrated not just through these